So in this tutorial, we have a problem which is under complex numbers. So we are going to tackle this problem which deals with powers of complex numbers. So evaluate the expression I to the power 19 plus 1 out of I to the power 25 all squared, right? So when you have something like this, the first thing to do is, the operator I, when you square it, will give us -1. Since square root of -1 is I, right? And when you cube operator I, you get -I. Then when you take the fourth power of I, you have 1, right? So we are going to use these basic powers. We are going to use these basic powers to express what you have up here. So to start with, we are going to tackle this side. So let's see. We are going to have, if you have 19, let's take the I squared. So 2 goes into 19, 9 times, right? Then remainder 1. So what you are going to do is, you write I squared, then 2 went into 19, 9 times. When you multiply 2 by 9, we are getting 18. There will be a remainder of 1, and that will be I, that will be attached here, plus, when you have 1 out of I here, you want to find the power of 25 of this expression. So you take what you have up and down. This basic algebraic expression. So 1 to the power 25 over I to the power 25, then all squared. So we will be getting the I squared is -1. So this I squared here is -1 from this side. So we are going to get -1 to the power 9 multiplying I plus 1 to the power 25 is 1. And I to the power 25, you have to break it down. So let's take 4, which is quite bigger. When you have a huge number, try using a bigger power to make it simpler. Now 4 goes into 25 6 times. So you are going to write I to the power 4, then 6, so that 4 times 6 will give us 24, remainder I to make it 25, all squared. So at this point, we know that this whole expression here is 1. -1 to the power 9. 9 is an odd number, so you get -1, right? So we are going to have -1 multiplying this I here plus, we know that I to the power 4 is 1 from this side. I to the power 4 is 1, so you just replace it here. So I'm going to get the expression 1 over 1 to the power 6 multiplying I, then squared. So this will be equal to, when I multiply -1 by I, I'll be getting -I plus 1 over I all to the power 2. So at this point, you simplify what you have inside the bracket here. Then after, you take the square. So simplifying using algebraic expression, I'll cross multiply, right? So I'm going to have the expression -I multiplying I plus 1 all over I, then all this squared. But you know that -I by I, I'm going to get -I squared plus 1 over I all squared. Then I squared is -1 from this side. So I'll have negative of -1 plus 1 all over I, then all squared, right? So at this point, I'm going to have Negative 1 by 1, negative 1 is negative by negative 1 is positive. So I'll have 1 plus 1, which is 2 over I all squared. And this is giving me 2 squared, which is 4, I squared, which is negative 1 from this side. So the answer is negative 4. Thank you. Please subscribe for more contents like this.